already seen her in person.
All of the Detroit, because I'm vlogging all of the month of July because it's my birthday, so why not? so it is some time later. When I say, baby, I'm tired, my body is tired, I need some sleep, but I had to pull myself up because I'm trying to edit day 11, no, day 12. It's uploading right now, so I'm gonna get that out, and then I gotta start on today's vlog. So actually I have not eaten today, so I just snacked on some peanuts and I'm drinking some electrolytes. So I'm getting ready to go and probably just grab me some Wendy's. I want me some Chinese food, but they're not open today. The place that I know got some good food, they're not open today, and I don't feel like driving anyway. Wendy's is close around here, so that's where we're about to go, because I gotta eat something. I feel sick, I feel nauseous. You know how you're so tired, your body is overexerted, and I feel like I've been partying for a week straight. It's too much for your girl. So I wanted to come back on. Listen, I wasn't gonna pick this camera back up, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, but I'm like, I committed to this daily vlog thing, so regardless of how short or how long these vlogs are, I'm gonna post a vlog every day, like I told y'all I would. So I'll call y'all back. I just wanted to pick y'all back up. I'm gonna go grab something to eat, and I'm gonna take me a nice shower after I eat. And then I didn't journal this morning, so I'm gonna do that. I did go and do my Bible study. I didn't get a chance to do it this morning. It wasn't enough time, so I did do that. I fell asleep, and listen, I know I was knocked out, but I did that before I actually fell asleep. So let me go ahead and go, y'all. Give me some food while I got an ounce of energy, because I gotta drive, but I need to start my baby up because she been sitting. And yeah, so I'm gonna call y'all back probably when we grabbing food. All right, you guys, so I am coming back on. I have eaten, and as you can see, I am in bed. So I'm getting ready to work on today's vlog, but I wanted to let y'all know that day 12, hopefully y'all can see that, is up on my channel. So y'all can go ahead and check that out. And if you're not already caught up, go ahead and get all caught up for the daily vlog July series. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this vlog off for today so that I can get today's vlog edited and start off tomorrow on track, because if I don't do it, I'm going to keep running behind. Because as y'all can see, I just traveled. I am back in North Carolina. I have appointments tomorrow, the next day, the next day. So your girl is about to be busy. I'm booked, okay, and busy. So I had to get back because my doctor was calling, literally, like, hey, he can see you this weekend. I'm like, I'm not home yet. I'm not back yet, rather. So I wanted to come back on and thank you guys so much for supporting me during this July series, celebrating my birthday month. We still got some things to do. It's just not appointments, so don't worry about that. I want to go ahead and get back on track, and I also need to rest because it's been a lot, especially over the past week, since like a day or two before my birthday, just full of festivities. I have a lot of family and friends who birthday is in July. Well, actually starting the 4th with my aunt's birthday, and some other people's birthdays is around that time on or before. So I've been going. My voice keeps going in and out, and I need some rest. So I'm going to relax. I'm actually watching a couple of vlogs that I watch. I watch certain vlogs. I just finished watching Peyton Charles. Now I'm watching another vlog. So Maya Galore. I haven't seen her in a while, so I'm catching up on her vlog. And I'm going to be editing while I'm doing that. I got to do some journaling. So before I start watching, I actually have the TV paused. Before I start watching it, I'm going to go ahead and get my journaling in because I didn't get a chance to do it this morning, as I told you guys earlier. And then we're going to get this vlog for today wrapped up, edit it and post it. I was actually doing some editing on the plane. Am I saying that right? Editing on the plane. Did I tell y'all I'm tired? So it shouldn't be, I shouldn't have a whole lot to do, but of course I gotta add this clip in, as well as the clips that I recorded prior to going to grab me some food from Wendy's. Y'all ate Wendy's. So listen, I had to do what I had to do. The girl had to do what she had to do. Okay? Tomorrow we're back on our regular scheduled program. Okay? So I'm gonna continue to drink my electrolytes tonight to replenish, hydrate myself, drink some water, and get me some rest. And I will pick y'all back up tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in to my channel. If you have not already done so, go ahead and like this video, leave me a comment, and if you're not subscribed, why you not subscribed? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's not gonna hurt you. I'll wait. Okay, you hit the button. Okay, and then also turn your notifications on so you don't miss any of these vlogs, especially from my birthday month, July series. So the vlogs will get longer. Typically for daily vlogs, I try to keep them around a half an hour. You know, here and there you might get a longer vlog, but they've been really short because I've been moving and grooving. And you know, sometimes it can be a lot trying to, especially if I'm vlogging on my camera, trying to, you know, move myself around and hold this camera and capture footage. I don't always have somebody to record, so I've been having to do it because, you know, I was out of state. So now I'm back in North Kakalaka because I gotta go back into treatments and therapies and all that stuff, and we want to make sure that I'm moving upward and not going backwards. So that's important that I find a balance. I will be traveling probably soon. I'm not sure when. I'm not going to say exactly when, because as I told y'all, you know, these internet streets can get, you know, kind of weird. So we're going to I'll let y'all know when that time comes, or you guys will see it. So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you for tuning in. To all of my supporters, thank you for being a part of my community. If you're not already, go ahead and just become a part of our community, because we keep it positive. We keep each other uplifted, and it's good vibes over here. We are a community of believers, and yeah. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. I will call y'all back shortly. Bye.